Hello YouTubers, Merry Christmas, and we're going to the Exxon with a Ryko Softgloss Maxx. That's the Ryko.
Looks like we have to wait for one, huh?
Right before I enter the code.
We gotta wait for this car though.
To get out, right?
Yeah, before our turn. I don't know what they're doing.
They're still paying for a wash. The machine is slow.
Maybe the machine's not working.
Actually, it's authorizing the machine.
Yeah, I don't get it. We need to go.
Ryko Softgloss Maxx. Oh, the wash activated.
Okay.
So he's gonna pull in.
Yeah, the wash activated. Person driving the car's not very activated today. So we'll stop here and let them complete. Then my cameraman can enter the code.
Oh, someone missed a spot.
Well,
They're backing up. Oh, they missed it.
wow.
They better get on the stop sign.
This borders the unreal. I've never seen anything like this before. They're in reverse, but they need to be going forward. This
Yes,
just gets
it's green
better
light.
and better.
You can see the green light.
Should they stop right there?
No, it's only when that light turns red. Oh, it's red.
So, stop?
Yes.
Okay, put it in park. Good grief. I didn't know car washes were so complicated.
They're on the tire cleaner. They're cleaning their tires before it sprays water.
No problem. So you're gonna film theirs too?
Yes, I'm gonna film theirs and then
Okay.
I'll stop and then film ours.
Sounds good. That'll be a separate movie?
Yes.
Sounds good to me. I'll just hang out.
It's rinsing their car. That's the wash menu.
Mm-hmm.
The Works wash costs 10, Deluxe costs 9, and Express costs 8.
Which one did we do?
We just did the Deluxe wash.
Okay. Is the wash working good?
Yes, the brushes are on. hear the car wash.
Mm-hmm.
So you can hear it from here. And that top brush is coming down.
This is a Ryko or a Ryko Maxx?
Ryko Softgloss Maxx.
Maxx.
That's
Okay.
the car wash. The Softgloss.
So that's a good one.
Yeah. The brushes are just moving across. Now they stopped. The back brush.
Okay.
And the brushes just came on again. I'll put it right here so they can see it better.
Oh, okay, cool.
I'm gonna zoom in.
I think they like when you do that stuff. Is their wash done?
No, it's doing the rinse right now.
Okay.
This is the Exxon 7-Eleven.
Oh, yeah.
Hold on, I'm gonna point at the gas station.
Okay, are they done now?
That's the gas station.
Okay.
No, they're not done.
Okay.
Charge, but start.
Good.
Those are loud.
From out here, they seem loud.
Yeah. And it's also blowing on the top brush.
So is it doing a good job?
Yes.
So you're going to enter our code.
Yes.
Okay, good. Oh, you got it?
Yes, as soon as the car leaves the bay.
Okay,
Okay, they're done.
I'll wait here until you get back in, and then I'll drive in.